Hey friends, if you encounter error 0xc1900107 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, we will sort it one by one. First of all, we will uh, perform a disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on disk cleanup, choose the driver C drive. Okay. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and click on delete files. If this doesn't help, then we have a second script for you. This script, I'll share it in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator in the right pane, paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.